Good morning, students. Yesterday we are solving exercise 3.2 that is related to solution of pair of linear equation by graphical method. Okay, we are learning graphical method to solve a pair of linear equation. We have solved up to question number second, that is pair of linear equations are given. You have to compare this pair of linear equation to general pair of linear equation. Okay, then find a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, and if a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2, if a1 a2 is not equal to b1 b2, then both line will intersect each other. Okay, the graph of these linear equations are lines. There are two lines. Okay, I have already told you that there are three conditions of two lines on a plane. Either they will intersect each other, either they are parallel to each other, or they are coinciding. There is no fourth condition. There are only three conditions. Two lines on a plane can lie in three ways only. One is either they will intersect, other is they may be parallel, the third one is they may be coinciding. By finding out a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, we can find out that either they are intersecting, parallel, or coinciding. I have already told you. Now we will take question number third. On comparing the ratio a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, find out whether following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. What is the meaning of that? Consistent means if they have solution. If pair of linear equation have solutions, either unique or infinite many, they are called consistent. And if they don't have any solution, if pair of linear equation don't have any solution, then they will be inconsistent. Then consistent will include two conditions. If pair of linear equation will intersect each other, then this pair of linear equation will be consistent. Or either they are coinciding each other, then there will be infinite many solution. This is also consistent. The pair of linear equation will be consistent. But if they are parallel to each other, you don't get any solution from this pair of linear equation, then this is called inconsistent. कहने का मतलब ये है, अगर दो लाइन पैरेलल हो जाएंगे तो उस केस में केवल इनकंसिस्टेंट होगा, अदरवाइज वो क्या होगा, कंसिस्टेंट होगा. अगर a1 by a2 इक्वल टू b1 by b2 नॉट इक्वल टू c1 by c2 है, तो इस कंडीशन में केवल क्या होगा, इनकंसिस्टेंट होगा. क्या होगा, इनकंसिस्टेंट. बाकी दो कंडीशंस जो हैं, a1 by a2 नॉट इक्वल टू b1 by b2, इस केस में क्या होगा, इस केस में कंसिस्टेंट होगा. और अगर ये वाला कंडीशन है a1 by a2 इक्वल टू b1 by b2 इक्वल टू c1 by c2, तो इस केस में भी कंसिस्टेंट होगा. तो कंसिस्टेंट के लिए ये दो कंडीशन हो जाएंगे. या अगर दोनों के हो तो इससे क्या मिलेगा कि दो यूनिक सोल्यूशन. इससे क्या मिलेगा, इनफाइनाइट मेनी सोल्यूशन है ना. अगर सोल्यूशन है, चाहे वो यूनिक हो चाहे इनफाइनाइट मेनी है, तो बोलेंगे कि क्या होगा, कंसिस्टेंट होगा. पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन क्या होगा, कंसिस्टेंट होगा. और अगर ये वाला कंडीशन दोनों लाइन पैरेलल हो जाते हैं तो बोलेंगे इनकंसिस्टेंट. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड that whether these pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. I am taking randomly one part of this question. Let's take fifth part. I am taking fifth part. Okay, what is it? Third question, fifth part. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. First of all, make all terms in one side, and one side must be 0. Then you will compare with जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन। ठीक है, तो पहले हम इसको क्या कर लेते हैं, 8 को उधर ले जाते हैं, 12 को भी उधर ले जाते हैं। दिस विल बी 4/3x प्लस 2y माइनस 8 इक्वल टू 0 एंड दिस विल बी 2x प्लस 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Now compare this with general equation of linear equation. A1, what is general equations? A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Now compare the coefficients. We can easily see here that A1 is equal to 4/3. B1 is equal to 2, C1 is equal to minus 8, A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to minus 12. Now find the ratio of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. A1, A2, first of all find A1, A2, that is 4/3/2, that is 2/3. Then find B1, B2, B1, B2 will be 2/3. Then find C1, C2. C1, C2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 12, that is 2/3. Here we can see that A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to C1, C2. A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to C1, C2. That this means that the graph of these pair of linear equations are parallel. क्या हो जाएंगे, पैरेलल हो जाएंगे। तो इस केस में कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा, यानी कोई ऐसा पॉइंट नहीं होगा जो दोनों पे हो जाए, जो दोनों पे कॉमन हो जाए। ठीक है, कॉमन पॉइंट ही क्या होता है, सोल्यूशन होता है। ठीक है, तो इस केस में कोई भी कॉमन पॉइंट नहीं होगा, ऐसा कोई पॉइंट नहीं है जो दोनों पे आ जाए। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, इनकंसिस्टेंट। क्या हो जाएगा, दिस पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विल बी इनकंसिस्टेंट। वेरी सिंपल, इनकंसिस्टेंट। कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर सोल्यूशन है तो कंसिस्टेंट है, सोल्यूशन नहीं है तो इनकंसिस्टेंट है। सोल्यूशन कब नहीं होगा, जब दोनों पैरेलल होंगे। ठीक है, वेरी सिंपल। नाउ टेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, दैट इज which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. You have to plot the graph of those pair of linear equation. You must have graph paper. First of all, you have to check whether this is consistent or inconsistent. Question 4th, I am taking one part. There are 4 parts. Question number 4. This is question number 4. I am taking any one of these parts. Okay, let's take 4th part. Question 4, 4th part. 4 part 4. ठीक है, what is this? This is 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, and the linear equation, that is 4x minus 4y minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Compare this pair of linear equation with general pair of linear equation. That is A1 by A1 we will find A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 2, C1 is equal to minus 2. A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to minus 4, C2 is equal to minus 5. Then find A1 by A2, that is 2/4, that is 1/2. Then find B1 by B2, this is minus 2 by minus 4, that is 1/2. A1 A2 is equal to B1 B2. And then find C1 by C2, that is minus 2 by 5 minus 5 minus 2 by minus 5, that is 2/5. Here A1, I have made a mistake in earlier question. This is condition of coinciding lines. ओके, यहाँ पे जो मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में 4th पर बताया है, इसमें क्या है, ये किसका कंडीशन है, ये कि दोनों लाइन क्या करें, कोइंसाइड करेंगे। ग्राफ इसका ऐसा नहीं होगा, यानी एक लाइन दूसरे लाइन के ऊपर होगा, ये कंडीशन है ये। क्योंकि तीनों इक्वल हैं आपस में, तीनों रेशियो कैसे हैं, इक्वल है। तो इसमें इनफाइनाइट मेनी सोल्यूशन होंगे, तो इनफाइनाइट मेनी सोल्यूशन है तो कंसिस्टेंट होगा, नॉट इनकंसिस्टेंट। ठीक है, दिस आई हैव मेड मिस्टेक, आई एम सॉरी फॉर डैट। ये आपका कंसिस्टेंट, यानी जब दोनों का ग्राफ बनाएंगे हम इस केस में, तो एक लाइन दूसरे लाइन के ऊपर ही आ जाएगा, तो ये इनफाइनाइट मेनी सोल्यूशन मिलेगा इसमें, यानी यू विल फाइंड सोल्यूशन, देन इट विल बी कंसिस्टेंट टू मेक इट करेक्ट। ओके, आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन here, a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. This is condition of to be parallel. ठीक है, this condition of parallelity. Here graph of two lines will be parallel to each other. Okay, if they are parallel to each other, then they will never intersect each other. You can't find a point which are common to both lines. नहीं, आपको कोई पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा जो दोनों पे कॉमन हो। जब तक कॉमन पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा तो सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा वो, तो इसका कोई सोल्यूशन कभी नहीं मिलेगा हमें। तो सोल्यूशन जब नहीं मिलेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, इनकंसिस्टेंट। ठीक है, वेरी सिंपल। या क्या हो जाएगा, इनकंसिस्टेंट हो जाएगा। जो पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन है ये कैसा होगा, इनकंसिस्टेंट। क्यों, क्योंकि इनका ग्राफ क्या है, पैरेलल टू ईच अदर। ग्राफ जो है एक दूसरे के पैरेलल है, तो कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलने वाला हमको, नहीं मिलने वाला। ये पैरेललिटी का कंडीशन है, दोनों लाइन के पैरेलल होने की कंडीशन ये है। तो इनकंसिस्टेंट चेक हो गया। अभी मुझे इसका सोल्यूशन निकालना है ग्राफिकली, यानी इसका ग्राफ ड्रा करना है। ठीक है, इसका ग्राफ ड्रा करना है हमें। तो दिस इज फर्स्ट वन, दिस इज सेकेंड वन। टेक फर्स्ट वन, 2x minus 2i minus 2 is equal to 0. Here you can divide by 2 and you will find x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now find 2 points on this line. You can take any value of x corresponding to that value of x. You can find value of y. Okay, now prepare a table. Value of x, this is value of y. First of all take value of x 0, then value of y will be, you can see here y will be minus 1. Put value of x 0, here will be 0, then y will be minus 1. Now put x is equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Put here minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3, y is equal to minus 3, then we will get y is equal to minus 3. Now you have 2 points on this line. One is 0 minus 1, second is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, now plot, make xy axis. You have to use graph paper. I am giving you the rough idea only. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is xy plane. Now show this points 0 comma minus 1, this is 0. Move along x-axis 0 unit and y-axis minus 1 unit. This is, suppose this is a point, this is 0 comma minus 1. Okay, this is other point. Move x along x minus 2 unit and along y minus 3 unit. Suppose this is the point, minus 2 comma minus 3. Now meet those points. Now meet those points, you will get graph of first linear equation. Very simple. This is graph of first linear equation. Now take second linear equation, that is 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now prepare table corresponding to this linear equation. This is value of x, this is value of y. Okay, now put value of x as 0. When you will put x 0, here will be 0, then y will be minus 5 by 4. Put x is equal to if I put x is equal to if I put x is equal to, suppose that 2, then 4 into 2 8 minus 5, that is 3. Then y is equal to 3 by 4. Y will be 3 by 4. Now you get 2 points. One is 0 comma minus 5 by 4. Other is 2 comma 3 by 4. Now plot these points on graph paper. First point is 0, 5 by 4. 5 by minus 5 by 4 means 1.25. Okay. Minus 1.25. 0 along x b will move 0 unit, along y b will move minus 1.25. Suppose this is the point. This is 0 comma minus 5 by 4. Okay. Now take show other point 2 comma 3 by 4. Move along x 2 unit. Suppose that this is 2 unit, and along y this is 0.75. Positive fraction. Suppose this is the point. This is 2 comma 3 by 4. Okay. Now you can see here that these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, it is very obvious. This is a rough idea. When you will draw it on graph paper, you will absolutely find two parallel lines. They will never intersect each other. Then you can find the solution of this pair of linear equation. This is graphical solution. Here we can see that these graph of these linear equations are parallel, and hence there is no solution. You can write that one. ठीक है बेटा, आज के लिए इतना भी. ओके, बाय.